Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Dahua's 5 E's. In this video, we focus on features and functions that demonstrate easy usage across various products and solutions. When discussing easy usage, Dahua's products prioritize simplicity, intuitiveness, flexibility, and efficiency in their design to help users easily accomplish tasks and save time. Let's talk about the touchless access system solutions, which exemplify simplicity, flexibility, and efficiency. The controller can serve as the main platform for managing access rights and functions through its own web interface. By logging into the controller's IP address from a PC, users can easily set up and control the system. Mobile phones can be used as keys for touch-free access, with options for different trigger modes, such as normal or shake and distances, short, mid, and long. Central management with Smart PSS Lite is an option that combines video linkage, attendance, access control, and video intercom into one platform for easy monitoring and management from a single point, increasing convenience and efficiency. Next up is the DMSS app, which showcases multiple elements of easy usage. This app combines simplicity and flexibility into a single solution, featuring an intuitive interface that allows easy monitoring of security systems, live view, and video playback. It also offers efficient Bluetooth pairing for quick device setup, real-time push notifications for alarms and events, customizable arming and disarming periods, and supports 30 languages for worldwide accessibility. Dahua's one-click arming and disarming makes controlling your security system incredibly easy. With just a single click, you can easily arm or disarm your system, saving you time and energy. You can set up the one-click feature in 3 different ways: device side, alarm port, and DMSS. Also, users have the option to enable or disable different alarm linkage actions for disarming status, providing them with more control and flexibility to minimize interruptions. You can also schedule custom times for the system to automatically arm and disarm. It's a simple and convenient solution that takes the complexity out of managing your security. Finally, let's look at the DSS Professional software. This is a powerful PC-based tool that brings everything together. The interface is intuitive, with a clear map application that shows you what's happening in real time. You can even perform quick searches for people and vehicles in time and space dimensions, thanks to the integrated intelligent retrieval features. With Agile 8, our mobile client, it's easy to view videos and handle alarms from anywhere at any time. So there you have it, Dahua's take on easy usage. From touchless access to remote monitoring, one-click arming, and intuitive PC-based management, these products are designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind. For more information about our products and solutions, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a smarter society and better living.